Bro, I love the guitar skills. So, booka, 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 bro. Beautiful guitar skills, bro. What is up, my beautiful Croatian fans? Okay, so I'm back again in Croatia. Well, we're gonna react to Baby, Lasagna, Rim, Tim, Tagi, Dim studio session, right? So this is actually the studio session of the original song. So I wanna hear what's up, I wanna see the original studio session, right? So without further ado, let's dive in.
I'm a big boy now, I'm ready to leave. Ciao mama ciao, ay. I'm a big boy now, I'm going away and I sold my cow.
Well, let us all say meow. Let us all say meow because you guys always want me to meow back, so it's meow. Well, the G is back. Let's continue.
Before I leave, I must confess, I need a round of decompress. One more time for all the good times. Rim tim tagi digi dim tim tagi digi. Gonna miss you all, but mostly the cat. Gonna miss my hay, gonna miss my bed.
Bro, yo, I love this song so much. I mean, like, the message from this song, it's really funny, but it's actually true, bro. Buka, 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 bro. I love this song. The first time I've heard this song, I was so happy to hear this song. And now it's in a studio session where he's just doing it originally. Bro, it sounds so good.
Most of all, I'ma miss the dance, so come on you all, let us prance. Rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi digi. Now don't call, don't write, I'm living with the first light.
Bro, yo, bro, Mr. Lasagna, bro, your song is so sick.
Don't cry, but dance. Rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi. There's no going back. Whoa, my presence fades to black. Whoa, yeah, there's no going back.
Whoa, bro. Dog, I love this music so much, bro. It is just giving you the right vibe. It's just giving you the right feeling. Dog, I don't know what this man put in this song, but this song is so good.
Whoa, my anxiety attacks. Whoa, rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi digi. I hope I find peace in the noise. Wanna become one of them city boys. They're all so pretty and so advanced. Maybe they also know our dance.
Yo, this beat is awesome. The rhythm is awesome. The artist himself is awesome, bro. Keep them coming in, bro. Damn. Yo, this makes me so happy, bro.
Bye mom, bye dad. Meow cat, please meow back. Don't
Meow cat, please meow back. Yo, this part is the funniest, bro. It is the funniest, bro. Sometimes I have to wonder, like, right? If we say to the cat, like, meow, will the cat meow back to us? I would love to see that, bro.
Don't cry, just dance. Rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi digi. There's no going back. Whoa, my presence fades to black. Whoa. no going back.
Bro, I love the guitar skills. So, booka, 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 bro. Beautiful guitar skills, bro. I love it. The beat is on point.
Whoa, my anxiety attacks. Whoa, rim tim tagi digi rim tim tagi digi. Ow!
Bro, keep on dropping bars.
There's no going back. Whoa, my presence fades to black. Whoa.
Darn it, this song is so good.
Yeah, there's no going back. Whoa, my anxiety attacks. Whoa, rim tim tagi digi dim tim tagi digi. There's no going back. Whoa, my presence fades to black. Whoa, yeah.
Rim tim tagade dim tim tagade. Woo, 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 woo.
There's no going back. Whoa, my anxiety attacks. Whoa, rim tim tagi digi dim tim tagi digi dim.
And this is what I called a great studio session, guys. Mr. Lasagna, bro, this one was good. Well done, bro. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.